We'll guide you through how to get Google Docs help when you're stuck or need more information. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Docs in your web browser. Once you're in your document, look towards the top right of the screen or in the menu bar, and you'll see a HELP option, usually represented by a question mark or the word help. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you have several options to choose from. If you're looking for a quick answer to a specific question, you can use the search feature directly within the Help menu by typing in keywords related to your issue. Google Docs will then suggest articles and tips that closely match your query. If you need more detailed guidance, select the Help Center from the menu. This will take you to a comprehensive resource full of articles and tutorials on a wide range of topics. You can browse by categories like document basics, formatting, and more. If you prefer a more interactive solution, consider joining the Google Docs Help community. It's a forum where you can ask questions and get answers from other users and experts. To access the community, go back to the Help menu and click on CO Community Help. Lastly, if you're interested in learning new features or staying updated with changes, Google Workspace Updates is a great source, which you can find through a quick web search. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.